Thanksgiving. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
So it is Thanksgiving Day, obviously, and we are here in Gulf Shores, Alabama. We just spent the morning, early afternoon at the beach. It was a beautiful day, perfect temperature. The fog just barely started rolling in, but when we got here, totally clear. This beach is gorgeous. White sands, totally gorgeous.
Not packed. So it's not one of those crazy beaches where you go and everyone's on top of each other. It's just spread out and nice.
Yeah. So we're staying for 3 nights at a place called Pirate Cove RV Park. Yeah, it's true. 3 R's. So we're gonna go back there. We're gonna have our own Thanksgiving feast, and just the 4 of us. So here's our Thanksgiving dinner. I got a turkey. It's pre-cooked. I have to put it in our oven, our convection oven, for like an hour, and then I got like pre-done mashed potatoes. I did make a pasta salad and a Jell-O salad that we always have at Thanksgiving, just to make it feel more like Thanksgiving. But I wanted to keep it really simple because in an RV it's hard to cook a full Thanksgiving dinner, and I like to just keep things simple anyways. So I'll show you what I got. I got this oven brown turkey breast. All I have to do is stick it in the convection oven for about an hour. Mashed potatoes, heat them up, and then I have to finish making my salads, and we are good to go. Thanksgiving dinner, super easy in an RV without like trashing the whole kitchen because it's tiny. I don't want to trash it. Okay, so here is our Thanksgiving feast at the RV park. Just the 4 of us. It might be a little overkill, but we'll have lots of leftovers. And that turkey for pre-cooked, it's super good. Moist. Yum. The salad and the Jell-O. So we just finished our Thanksgiving dinner. It was delicious.
Carrie did an awesome job on
I'm
her
so
first
full.
Thanksgiving. Yeah.
Yeah, this is actually the very first Thanksgiving that I have made the dinner. And I showed you what it was. I went totally easy, but it was good. The turkey was really good and moist
Yeah, it was
for
really
being
good.
a pre-cooked one.
It was
The
good.
Jell-O didn't turn out so good. I didn't have the whipped cream, and I left out a couple steps that I totally forgot about, so I'll make that for Christmas Eve.
It's still good. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we hope we had an awesome day. It was a great Thanksgiving. We are missing family at home, especially Kennedy, our oldest daughter.
She will be with us in a few weeks. She'll be flying down to meet us in Florida to spend the holidays with us.
Yeah, can't wait to see her.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna hug her like this. Mwah.
What did you guys like the
It's not
most
a
about
good-
Thanksgiving?
The food.
The food or the beach?
The beach.
Oh gosh. Beach.
Playing in the water with you guys.
I didn't know if the beach counted.
He's got a little too much sun today.
My back is sunburned. Beach.
The beach.
The beach.
Beach.
All right, but we hope that you and your family had a great Thanksgiving too. We're so thankful that you're here. Yeah, thanks for watching. Tomorrow we're headed to
Yay.
Orange Beach, just a few miles from here, for like 4 nights. Hopefully we get a video done while we're there
Of course we will.
to kind of show we're staying at this really nice RV park.
It's a motor coach resort, so they only allow Class A motorhomes in there. No trailers, no fifth wheels. There's a contingency. I think they have to be at least 34 feet, and they can't be more than 10 years old. So it's might be kind of snobby, might not.
We'll see. We'll let you know. But thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
Happy
Happy giving
holidays.
thanks. Happy holidays.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Happy Christmas.
Christmas.
Not yet.
Hello, folks of my kingdom. Well, whatever. So this is a kingdom